Hi, this is me, Anushka Sen, and you're watching me on Bollywood Bubble, and I'm gonna reveal all the expensive things. I think I'll say my car because that's my first car that I bought, and more than expensive, I think it's really close to my heart because it's my first car. I think a jacket. There's a jacket which is like really expensive, so yeah, but it's really amazing. So I'm a sneaker fan. I love sneakers. So there's one sneaker which is quite expensive, but it's beautiful. It has like this metallic ends also. It's very beautiful. Most expensive hairdo. Oh, so I got a global hair color. More than expensive, it was painful because I had to sit 9 hours like this, and they were doing my hair. So it was 9 shades of red, but yeah, really very good experience because I always wanted to do that. I think Singapore. Singapore is quite expensive. More than expensive, I think my most special jewelry, I will say, is this ring. And there's a necklace of my dad. You know, dad and mom, they gifted it to me. So it's really close to my heart, and yeah. It's more than expensive, I think it's the thing, you know, it's not about if it's expensive, I'll buy. It depends on, but yeah, I really like, you know, high class brands. That is one thing, to be very honest. Most expensive gift that I've received, I think probably the jewelry only. I think, yeah, jewelry. Food, Hong Kong, quite expensive. Oh yeah, very good answer I have. My mom's mom, means my nani, she has a harmonium, if you know. So we are a Bengali family and we really respect our, you know, musical culture and all of that. So that harmonium is from her nani. So it's nani ki nani. So it's coming down from there to there and to me. So it's quite close to my heart. And if you see, it's in a very good condition. Most expensive bag that I'm not a bag person, I'm a more backpack person, but yeah, there's a backpack that I got from I think Dubai or something, and that's quite expensive. It's silver and it's like it's mad crazy shiny. Damn, I was 8 years old, I don't know. But probably I got so every time I do a project or every time there's a celebration, we go out and have cake. So yeah, so it's not expensive, but it's what I do every time I do something. I don't keep money on me. I have my phone. If you take that, yeah, that's gonna break my heart because there's a lot of things there. But if you actually go through my bag, you'll find a perfume, very nice perfume, a perfume person, so you'll get a good perfume. And you'll find a lot of hair ties for some reason. Diamonds. A memory. I think my first trip with my Disneyland trip, you know, to Hong Kong. I think that is really special to me because me, mom and dad, we went, and that experience is amazing. I was so emotional when I was seeing the parade, so I can trade anything for visiting that time. So this was all the things that were expensive that I have, and all the memories that you all probably didn't know that I have. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Bollywood Bubble. And you're watching Anushka Sen.